one dick 10 times, or the other option is 10 dicks, one time each. Right? What you gonna choose? All right, Josh, you ready?
Ready for what?
Fuck you. You're doing it today.
Doing what?
You're working on something. I'm gonna be behind
man.
the camera.
Oh,
You
Jesus.
fucking... Because we're gonna prove to somebody that even retards can do things. So you know what the game plan is, right, Josh?
We're putting a different charger in this truck. Test it out.
And you get to do it.
I get to do it. Do
know
some
what it
data
is?
logging.
You already know what it is.
The ball bearing 370.
You're right. Let's show them.
Yeah, see it. Surprised me up.
There it is. T4
Oh, fuck yeah.
divided. Yeah, gasket there.
Oh, sick, dude. I'm gonna hang this on my fridge.
Alright, so, yep. Wham. It looks the same, but it's not.
This is the ball bearing charger.
The charger. And then this one spins with it.
This is the journal bearing.
I don't think that's how you legitimately test it, but I just wanted to do it.
I mean, a test a test.
Spin them. You'll feel the difference. Just how you gently have to. But now, so yeah, that's 370. Gotta test it out. We have the 370 journal bearing charger on. Dan's testing out some ball bearing chargers. Since the way they're spooling right now, I mean, especially with the smaller chargers, he wanted to test it in this one first, just to see if he can get a little bit better spooling, whatnot. So we're gonna put it in and we're gonna drive it. I'm actually taking this truck home because I have to buy something off Dan and I don't have a truck to drive right now. So yeah, so I get to go pick something up that I'm buying off him with this truck. So we're gonna do some drivability with the new charger. I think he already has some data logs for the old S370 with the journal bearing charger. So we'll figure it out.
Air compressor.
Yeah, right on cue.
What you doing here, Ron?
You always ask me what I'm doing.
Yeah.
Well, right now I'm cleaning this pan so we can put coolant in it. Yeah, so we can throw it out. Wash in a circular motion like I do with Haley's butthole and my tongue.
Oh my god.
Dude, listen. I never ask you what you're doing. You're just like,
Cause I'm just behind the camera, man.
not today. You're not. You better be photogenic as fuck.
Photogenic.
As fuck.
Oh, Jesus.
We can't make this part long because guess what? At least we gotta do the driving and review of the 70 mil. So that's gonna be like one video because we gotta make another fucking video tomorrow. It's like all our videos are always gonna be like a year long because fucking we try to jam too much shit into a little package. Just like Haley. But I have the small package. And she has the gaping hole. Alright, get the fuck away from me. I'm doing important things.
Alright.
Alright. So Josh here. is going to be doing this to just show how easy it is. And blind squirrel catches a nut. No, I'm going to show everybody that even you are capable of swapping a turbo. Now, it won't be the whole kit. Like, he's not changing out the manifold. But I'd say it's about 70-75% of the kit. So, yeah. It's approximately... Oh, I got a new subscriber. What the hell?
Who is it?
1254. So we'll see how long it takes him to get to where he's pulling this charger out and putting the new one in. So easy enough.
Never seen again, didn't even make it. Oh well, bitch, I got a shovel in my basement. I got a shovel in my basement. I got a shovel in my basement. Never seen again, didn't even make it. Oh well, bitch, I got a shovel in my basement. I got a shovel in my basement. I got a shovel in my basement. About a zip a day, can your foolies get away? I'm a baller, yes a baller, I'm the one your bitches calling. Got that coke up in my lungs, I ain't tripping, having fun. Watch out for my fucking gun, I'ma smoke you like a blunt. Rolling slow with the foe, pointed at your head. Now you're dead, time to go to bed. Waste my fucking lead, I'm just doing all these drugs, trying to keep up with the thugs, big boys.
Alright, Josh, now I have a serious fucking question.
Yeah.
Alright. Alright, so... New World Order, you're gonna die, right? All your shit's gonna get taken, you're gonna die.
Yeah.
To not die and have all your shit back, right? You either have to suck one dick 10 times, or the other option is 10 dicks 1 time each, right? What you gonna choose? Yeah, no, this is a serious question. This is real serious.
1 dick 10 times.
Or 10 dicks 1 time each.
One dick 10 times.
That's fucking gay. That shows a level of commitment. You should have said 10 dicks. See, now that's fucking gay. You fucking faggot.
Got a shovel in my basement. I got a shovel in my basement. About a zip a day, can your foolies get away? I'm a baller, yes a baller, I'm the one your bitches calling. Got that coke up in my lungs, I ain't tripping, having fun. Watch out for my fucking gun, I'ma smoke you like a blunt. Rolling slow with the foe, pointed at your head. Now you're dead, time to go to bed. Waste my fucking lead, I'm just doing all these drugs, trying to keep up with the thugs. Big boys turn to light, now you have to say goodnight. Laughing to the bank, on my weed be hella dank. Ha 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 ha, now I'm gonna shoot 'em all. Watch them fall in the middle of the mall. Blood coming from the eyes, I know it is the demise. What the fuck you thinking? I'm creeping in the street. Led you with the beat, starting at your fucking feet.
Alright.
So, ball bearing charger, right? We're going to put it in the truck now. That we get the old one out. Right there. Now, as Dan's kit, all the turbine housings are the same. So they have the same turbine wheel. Like if you use the super core is what they're called, from Borg, you can put the compressor and the center section all in as one and use the turbine housing for all of the chargers in this kit. So if you ever want to swap them out, you can always remain the same turbine housing. So makes it pretty easy. Less steps to do it. Yeah, so we're gonna pop this off, just switch over the drain line and the feed, and send it all back in. Oh yeah, let's do a time check on timeout. We washed our hands. It's 1:29, so 1:30. So like 34 minutes to swap it out pretty much so far. So you're looking an hour and a half, and Josh did it. Besides, like getting it out takes a little tweaking, and I've done it before, so I kind of know how to get it out of there. Other than that, though, it's pretty easy. That's probably the hardest part is, actually getting it once everything's loose. Just popping the charger out with the drain line stuck in the pedestal. So let's get it back in. He's so pretty. That could be the thumbnail, dude. All right, so you guys don't know, just. There's the stock turbine housing that was in there, or not stock, but with the other charger, so you don't think we're changing around like turbine housings and different ARs and stuff to make it spool
And make
better.
sure whenever you take this adapter off the old turbo, you should probably show the turbo, not me.
Are you talking? You
Yeah.
giving advice?
Yeah,
Is it good advice?
yeah. Make sure you check the orientation of this and put it back the same way on this, so that way you can just put it back down in, and you don't have to take it off again.
You're so smart.
Got a shovel in my basement. I got a shovel in my basement. About a zip a day, can your foolies get away? I'm a baller, yes a baller. I'm the one your bitches calling. Got that coke up in my lungs. I ain't tripping, having fun. Watch out for my fucking gun. I'ma smoke you like a blunt. Rolling slow with the foe, pointed at your head. Now you're dead. Time to go to bed. Waste my fucking lead. I'm just doing all these drugs, trying to keep up with the thugs. Big boys turn to light. Now you have to say goodnight. Laughing to the bank, on my weed be hella dank. Ha 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 ha. Now I'm gonna shoot 'em all. Watch them fall in the middle of the mall. Blood coming from the eyes. I know it is the demise. What the fuck you thinking? I'm creeping in the street. Light you with the beat, starting at your fucking feet. Skin boiling up, don't think I give a fuck. Get so up, I'm never in for shit. Never seen again, didn't even make it. Oh well, bitch, I got a shovel in my basement. I got a shovel in my basement. I got a shovel in my basement. Never seen again, didn't even make it. Oh well, bitch, I got a shovel in my basement. I got a
That was awkward, Josh. So, Josh got the turbo in. It's not leaking, surprisingly.
Shut the fuck up.
It took about an hour and a half. We had to put some new boots on it that Dan just got in that he's having made for all the kits. So those were just prototype ones that worked. So yeah, so we had to do that. So it was a little fucking around with that, but it was about an hour and a half total install. So that was pretty good for you, Josh. Well, take out and install.
Yeah.
And so we're gonna drive it a little bit. I'm gonna let Josh drive it. We're gonna get some opinions. I drove it a little bit so far. Comes up perfect. You can feel it a little bit. It comes up a little bit faster. It just seems like it's real touchy, like real ready to go. A little bit more than the other one. I drove the other one more, and so yeah, I guess we'll just see what we think here. We'll hit some back roads first before we do any kind of polls. Oh, look, a 6.7.
Oh, no, 6.7.
Fuck, Grandma, get the fuck out the way.
Don't hit Grandma.
No, we can't.
Oh. That kid just dropped whatever he's picking up.
He's trying to impress his girlfriend.
I wonder if he drives that 6.7, maybe we can embarrass him.
Nah, dude, we need to find a comment or Max.
Yeah, but I mean,
Or a Subaru.
you can't discriminate. You gotta, I mean, if you're gonna fucking
I'll
race
smoke
people,
whatever, but yeah, like, I mean, but like at the same time, like, that's like, I don't even know.
what the fuck
That's like
is
a
all
war
over
crime.
that
That's
car?
like friendly fire. What the fuck is that?
That is a, I don't even know. I wonder if I can fucking get that on
Zoom
video.
in. Yeah, zoom in on that fucking thing.
Some fucking custom paint work.
Texting while driving. Not recommended. So I'm like quarter throttle. It's coming up good. Like perfect for daily driving. Like it's so much more dry. Like I wouldn't say so much more, but
Like the journal bearing charger spooled great. This is just
I would say
better.
good. And then this thing does great now. Like I thought the other one was really good. And then this one's just a touch better, and it's like, yeah.
Especially for a 370.
Yeah, for sure. Because like I've been in trucks with 369s, and they're just, I mean, it's not that they're really that laggy, but it just, this one just seems like it's almost like a 66 SXE, and it's not. It's bigger, so yeah, it's impressive. All right, Josh. So let's see what you think compared to your 6-liter ways.
Why the fuck won't it stay down? That's weird having that iPad there. Feels pretty similar to my truck. I have.
Well, yeah. What's done to your truck?
It's basically just a piece of shit 6-liter. Dan fabbed up a non-vgt kit for me. It's got a Borg 364.5 SXE and 190/30s. It's basically just a piece of shit. Other than that, it's pretty much completely stock. I bought it off Ronnie actually, and then it blew up like the third time I drove it. So we rebuilt the motor. And ever since then, it's been a pretty decent truck. No real complaints with it. Kind of, you know, did an overdrive burnout. The 5R said see ya. So I threw a junkyard tranny in it, and it's been good ever since. Which is for sale, by the way, if any of you want a 6-liter.
Yeah, why to plug that right in there? You gonna get into this thing a little bit once we go into like this hill or something? We gotta.
Yeah. Okay. Kind of wanted to get downshift.
Once you start getting in the throttle, it kind of.
Let's see if this dude comes out.
Boost leak.
Yeah.